That's a bird head. Yes, it's a bird head. And it's real, and it's deep fried and roasted. Now watch this. Where's the camera? Okay, just watch. Alright, where's the...
You like this? I ate the head.
Okay, see that? Alright, I'm gonna eat it. I'm gonna eat this. Okay, I'm gonna eat that. Alright, hold, can you point it at me? I'm going to eat a head. Okay, you see this? Okay, it's a bird head. It's not that... It's actually pretty good. Yep. You ate the whole head?
You can eat, well, there's some bone that's too hard, but Gabriel eats the brain and stuff.
You eat everything, Gabe? The whole head?
Not the whole head, just some parts are hard. You done? You want the brain?
Come on, man. Give me it.
Alright, I can do it.
Oh, no, the brain.
No, the brain is right here.
Bird brain.
You eat it right here.
Alright, here's the brain.
Oh.
Yep. See that brain?
Wait, there's a bit on it.
There's some skin right here.
Where's the brain?
Oh, yeah.
Alright, look at that. Look at that. Point it at me. Point at me. See me?
Yeah.
Point at me. Point at my face. See this brain?
Here, eat this. You want the brain? Okay, you want another
It
one?
has a bad first, but when you get it has a kick to it at the end, aftertaste. Really good aftertaste.
Should we stop it now?
No. No, stop it. It's like good, it has like good aftertaste, but bad like, you know. Here's the other eyeball. I'm gonna skip the eyeballs. Oh my god, the brain's really squishy. Oh, it's really squishy. Oh, it's good. I like it. Yeah, I like that aftertaste.
Should we stop it now?
Got a lot of bones. Oh no, that's not
You're
good.
going to be famous.
Should we stop it?
Yep.
Yeah.
You're
Don't
going to
stop
be
yet.
second only to that, not like that.
Even if you don't like what he's doing.
I know that.
You have to admire he's so brave about it.
Yeah, well, Gabriel's like...
Just suck it in. Look at Gabe. He's just chowing down. Is that your like third head now?
Yeah.
How do you do that? All right, I gotta get another head.
Alright, you guys will get from the
Come on. Can I cut the video?
Yeah, you can stop it. I'm gonna go eat more brains.
You got this one.